Hey, it's LongestSoloEver here on LongestSoloEver 2, and I've got a really silly idea. So yesterday I made this tweet. Unethical vocal life hack, train an AI on my voice, then run a Vocaloid through it and never worry about getting good takes again. It was a silly little tweet, I didn't think much of it, and then as I was walking around yesterday, I started wondering if I could do that. Like, what if I just taught an AI how to do, this, and then put Miku through that? So that's what we're gonna try today. Lately, I've been playing around a lot with this software called RVC. This is an open source AI voice trainer and changer. It runs locally on your graphics card, and I've been using it to do silly things in voice chat like
sounding like the Prince of all Saiyans, or just sounding like a guy who likes to fight.
And I'm even using it in a musical context right now on a song I'm working on to help me sound more like the EXE
Fatal error.
But today I have something even more pointless in mind. I'm gonna first train an AI on my voice, my singing voice, and then I'm gonna run the Vocaloid Hatsune Miku through that AI voice changer and see if we get anything remotely usable. I'm not optimistic. I mean, I'm optimistic that it's going to be hilarious, but not usable. So the first thing I had to do was record a bunch of vocals for this to work with. And I was thinking about just pulling like the raw vocal tracks from my recorded songs already, but those have been auto-tuned so hard, you can't really hear it as much in the mix, but when you hear them on their own, it sounds weird. So I just recorded about 6 minutes of just fresh, raw vocal takes and just sang my own songs into a mic in random keys for about 6 minutes.
I hold the ink that gave you life, you're my creation.
Yeah, I just sang like every LongestSoloEver song into this. Then I'm gonna paste that training data into RVC, change a few specific settings here, and then I'm gonna train this for about 15 minutes and see what it does.
15 minutes later.
So we've got an AI model trained on my voice now, my singing voice, and what we need is something to test it out with. Like, say, the Krusty Krab theme song.
Friendly grab me tongue is my pizza absolutely Krusty Krab pizza is my pizza, yeah, put you in me.
Yeah, that works. Okay, now to the actual point of this video. We're going to pull up Vocaloid, write some songs into it, and then run those through that AI. And we'll see how it compares to my actual vocal tracks on my songs. I'm growing more confident about how it will do, and less confident about myself by the moment. We'll start with the old standby.
Finding me here on your screen now.
Oh no.
I am inside your home.
Okay. We've got a semi-functioning vocal part here. Okay, here we go. I am so nervous as to how this is going to go.
Finding me here on your screen, and you're caught in between, and repeating your
It has Miku's accent.
Nowhere to hide, sweeping that tongue. You remember, you followed the shepherd. It's time to wake up. I am inside your home.
When it says you followed the shepherd, why does it sound like Ralph from Ed, Edd and Eddy? Oh, yeah, this is a success. So let's generate some harmonies real quick. I'm going to shift this down by an octave.
Finding me here on your screen now.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's beautiful. Okay, so what happens if I put those in the song? We got to put my vocal chain on this, of course. Proper mixing technique. And then I think we're going to do what I did on the original. This is how I made the harmonies for the original. I ran Harmony Engine by Antera's Autotune, and I just fed it the chords of the song.
Finding me here on your screen now. You're caught in between, and repeating your screams. There's nowhere to hide, sweet.
Oh my god. It's beautiful. It's beautiful is what it is. Okay, we've got Intruder Miku's version now. Let's see what happens.
Screen now, you're caught in between, repeating your screams. There's nowhere to hide, sweeping that tongue. You remember, you followed the shadow. It's time to wake up. I am inside your home.
It's perfect. It's perfect. I quit. This is how all LongestSoloEver songs sound from now on. Oh, this is so funny. What does Fatal Error sound like singing this?
Finding me here
On your screen now, you're talking between lines.
It works a lot better on his voice because he's already like a computerized situation, right?
Finding me here on your screen now, you're talking between
Yeah, it's good.
lines. Repeating your screen shared, nowhere to hide. Sleeping that don't you remember? Are you sad of the shepherd? It's time to wake up. I hear me say you are home.
Oh my god, it's so funny. That was unironically kind of cool. This stuff is really fun. If you want to check out RVC, I'll put a link down in the description below where you can try it yourself. Like I said, it requires a pretty hefty graphics card to run, but I think there are options to do similar things in like Google Colab. Of course, it's really important to keep your use of technology like this ethical. Never use this to actually imitate someone or try to infringe copyright in any way. I'm just having fun with my own voice on my own songs here, so just keep that kind of thing in mind. So I don't know what to do with this next. I feel like I've stumbled onto some forbidden knowledge here. There's a lot of possibility, and if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments down below and we might try them out. As always, if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like this one and leave a comment down below with what you'd like to see me do next. And if you're interested in learning to make music, not like this, like actual serious good music, head over to quickstartmusic.com, the ultimate online music school. Quick Start Music is my online collection of video courses that I've made teaching you how to make music. If you use the code LSE at checkout, you'll get 50% off your first month. So go take a look. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.